I'm going to show you how to divide whole numbers using the area model. So this one's going to be a little bit different than our multiplication area model. I'm still going to look at this number to decide how many places I need to make my area model. I'm dividing a 2-digit number, so I'm going to make my area model have 2 places for my tens and my ones. So I'm dividing by 4. And I'm going to break apart my 96 inside into 90 and 6. These are the numbers I'm dividing. Now, since I know that multiplication is the inverse operation of division, I can use my multiplication facts to help me divide 96 into groups of 4. So down here, since this is my tens place, I'm going to start multiplying 4 times tens to see how many groups of 10 can go into 90. So I have 4 times 10, which equals 40. So I'm trying to get to 90. So 10 groups of 4 gets me 40. I think I could go up a little more to see if I can get closer to 90. 4 times 20 equals 80. Pretty close to 90, but not exact, so I'm going to go up one more just to see. 4 times 30 equals 120. Now 120 is greater than 90, so I'm going to cross that off, and I'm going to use this fact right here. So 4 times 20 equals 80. I'm going to take my 20 and put it at the top. 4 times 20 equals 80. Inside here, I'm going to subtract my 80. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. I cannot make another group of 4 tens here, so I'm going to take this 10 and bring it over here. 10 plus 6 gets me 16. So now I have 16 in my ones. I'm in my ones place, so I'm going to multiply 4 by ones until I get 16 or as close to 16 as I can without going over. So 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. I got exactly 16, so I know that that's the answer I'm going to go with. I'm going to circle it. Now 4 here is what I got when I multiplied, so my 4 is going to go on the top. My 16 is going to go inside, and I'm going to subtract it, and I'm left with 0. Here's where it's a little different. When we multiply, our answer and the area model is on the inside. When we divide, it's these numbers up here. These are all the groups I had to make of 4 to get to 96. So 20 plus 4 equals 24, and that is my answer.